everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today I'm making beef and broccoli for lunch, so I decided to show you a quick and easy lunch or dinner beef and broccoli. And what I have here, I was chopping some garlic and fresh garlic, of course. Gonna make sure it's fine chopped. So I have here fresh garlic and ginger as well, fresh ginger. And for the steak here, I'm using the strip loin steak, and I'm not going to trim any fat because I like a little bit fat in it. So we're gonna slice it thin. And we're gonna put it with the ginger and the garlic in the bowl. Voila. Now we're gonna marinate them for about half an hour. If you marinate it a little bit longer, if you have the time, it's fine, but half an hour more than enough. So I'm gonna start with the soya sauce, cornstarch, sesame oil, and we're gonna mix it very well. Nice, look at this, beautiful. It's marinate with the ginger and the fresh garlic as well. Voila. Now let's put it on a side and let's start cutting our vegetables. I have here a whole broccoli. I'm gonna cut it to the floret, and each one I'm gonna cut it into 4 pieces. Voila. Now for the carrot, I'm gonna add a shaved carrot, just a couple of pieces. Here we go. Chop them in half, and make sure you bring your water to boil and ready to go in the water. So what we need here, just blanch them. So as soon as start boiling, 30 seconds, and they're good to go. Now in the meantime, we're gonna work on the beef here, the one we marinate. So on the medium high first, and we're gonna add a little bit of oil. Nice. Almost done, and as you can see here, the broccoli boiling. Turn off. Beautiful, they're ready to go. Now I'm gonna move it on the side a little bit, and I'm going to add here a vegetable broth, rice wine, and a little bit cornstarch. And now I'm gonna add the vegetable. Vegetable go in. Nice, look at this. Now it's time to try. It's our lunch today, and I decided to make something quick and easy and tasty and healthy. Wow, the beef is so tender. The combination of a fresh ginger, fresh garlic, rice wine vinegar, it's give amazing taste. Healthy meal for you to make. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.